Need to know how to clean satin shoes safely? Watch this video for some quick tips on how to clean your favorite shoes without ruining them. 1. Hand washing satin shoes can clean them without causing damage. Fill a basin or sink with lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild detergent specifically designed for delicate fabrics. Gently swirl the water to create a mild soapy solution. Dip a soft cloth or sponge into the soapy water and wring out excess moisture. Gently wipe the surface of the satin shoes, paying special attention to any stains or dirt. Avoid excessive rubbing or scrubbing, as it may damage the fabric. Rinse the cloth or sponge with clean water and wipe away any soap residue from the shoes. Allow the shoes to air dry naturally, away from direct heat or sunlight. 2. If you only have a few stains or spots on your satin shoes, spot cleaning can be an effective method. Use a small amount of mild detergent mixed with water to create a soapy solution. Dip a clean, soft cloth or sponge into the solution and gently dab the stained area, being careful not to saturate the fabric. Blot the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove any soapy residue. Finally, use a dry cloth to absorb excess moisture and allow the shoes to air dry. 3. For valuable or heavily soiled satin shoes, it is best to seek professional cleaning services. Look for a reputable shoe cleaner or a dry cleaner that specializes in delicate fabrics. They have the expertise and proper cleaning techniques to handle satin materials without causing damage. Make sure to communicate any specific stains or concerns to the professionals and follow their care instructions for the best results.